Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. In this video we are going to solve 10th class Maths NCERT book chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 7. And what the question number 7 says, from a point on the ground, an angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So before going to its diagram, let's discuss what is the question is. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation. Okay, so there is a point on the ground and the angle of elevation, the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. Okay, there is a tower and which is fixed. This transmission tower is fixed on the top of 20-meter high building. Okay, so now we have a ground. On the ground there is a building and on the building there is a transmission tower. Okay, the height of the building is 20 meter and the transmission tower has a bottom and a top, and somewhere on the ground there is a point and a person, suppose a person is watching from the top of the tower, so the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and if he is watching at the bottom of the tower, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. So children, do not get the confused here ki which one is the angle of bottom and tower, as he is writing bottom and top of the टावर रिस्पेक्टिवली. और आप इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि जब भी ऊंचाई पर हम ज़्यादा देखते हैं, मीन्स जहाँ पर ज़्यादा हाइट होगी तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन वहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगा. सो टॉप की हाइट ऑब्वियस सी बात है ट्रांसमिशन टावर की बॉटम से ज़्यादा होगी, सो द एंगल विल बी लार्ज. जो बॉटम है थोड़ा सा कम हाइट पे होगा कंपैरेटिवली टॉप, तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन भी कम होगा. इसलिए टॉप का जो एंगल है वो 60 डिग्री है और बॉटम का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है दैट इज़ 45 डिग्री. नाउ move to its diagram. Okay, as I have explained in the question, we have a 20-meter high building and above this building we have fixed a tower. The tower is, suppose we are considering is h meter height. Okay, so now a person, this is ground, a person or there is a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top, at top means D point, top means D point, the angle of elevation at the of the D point is 60 degree and the angle of elevation of the bottom, that is means at A point is 45 degree. Okay, now we are considering the height of the transmission tower is h and the distance between the foot of the building and the point is x meter. Okay, now first we will apply the tan theta in the triangle ABC. So triangle A, bottom of the transmission tower, foot of the building and the point. So ABC, it is 90 degree as the building is straight, is standing on the ground, so it will be 90 degree and this angle of elevation is 45 degree. So now perpendicular upon base, so 45 is 1, perpendicular that is 20 meter and bottom base we are considering as x, so x will be 20 meter. Okay, now let's move to the top angle where the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So DBC, now we are taking in the triangle DBC. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular, now in this case perpendicular will be the complete height. Complete height means tower's height plus building height. Base will remain same BC, tan 60 root 3 h plus 20, tower height plus building height, and BC is x. Now After cross multiplication and simplification, we are getting h equal to root 3x minus 20. Okay, so now x I am taking common, root 3 minus 1. If the value of root 3 is given, then you can simplify it further and you can also leave it like this. Okay, if you want to solve it further, you can put the value of root 3 1.732. Okay, root 3 value, if you want to solve 1.732, you can put it and you can solve it. Okay, so the height of the transmission tower is 20 bracket root 3 minus 1. So this is the solution of the question number 7.